Alrighty, guys. So I was at the Eagles Super Bowl parade all day today, man, in Philadelphia. I was up at 5 today, 5 a.m., got to the city at like 7 a.m. because, well, can't miss the parade, right? It was freaking insane, guys. Unbelievable. And that's why there weren't any videos today, but I was watching Sofi and other stocks periodically on my phone throughout the day, and I realized Sofi went up almost 7% on the day, and I was like, yeah, there's no way I'm not filming a video when I get home. And now I'm home. It's about 7 p.m. I'm freaking tired as heck, guys. Was outside all day. I'm shot right now, but I figured I have to make a video, break down the charts, go over what's going on. So yeah, hit the like button, guys. Do not forget to subscribe. We just hit 50K, but the work's not done yet. The goal is 100,000 subscribers, and without you guys, well, it's impossible. So cheers, guys. I appreciate you all for tuning in, and let's talk. So Sofi had a very good day today, up almost 7% on the day, and we closed at $16.21 after opening at $15.40 and running all the way to $16.40 in essentially the first hour and a half, 2 hours of trading. You guys see that huge move in the morning. Then we sold off intraday, right, down to about, where do we get down to? About $15.90. Then buyers came in, which is very important here. And you can see we then rallied into close all the way back up to $16.20. Again, we went up almost 7%. We closed up $1 on the day. So, guys, SoFi closed off the week on a very strong note. We took out the highs from the entire week today, right? We're talking Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. I mean, we were all in, all in the beginning of the week. We were trading between $14.50 to $15. And yeah, now we're fully breaking out of there, heading in the right direction. And it looks like we hit $14.39 on the low this week, and we closed at $16.20. That was a 13% move off of the low. That's a big move, guys. And on the 1 hour chart here, you guys see a reversal. And actually, let me look at the 30-minute chart. Yeah, we have a golden cross. We're above both moving averages here, breaking out towards the highs from, it looks like, the end of January. On the 31st, we hit 1655 roughly. That's where it looks like we might be testing in the short term. And on this 1 hour chart, again, you guys see the breakout. We have a golden cross. Now we're pretty much at the 1650 level, which if that breaks, you guys see here on this time frame, we then could be going towards the low mid 18s, right? If I extend this to the right, you guys see this is where we could be trading, right in this window right here, right? All we have to do, and we almost did it today. We almost did it today, guys. But all we have to do is break the mid-16s. Let me set my alert maybe at 1660. I'll set my alert there for now. Mark is at or above $16.60. And again, if that breaks, boom, we're going to be playing in this window right here, which, guys, don't do it because I'm saying it here, but that could easily be a nice trading opportunity. But of course, it's not guaranteed. Please do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor, and nothing's guaranteed. Nothing is guaranteed in the stock market, guys. And on the 4 hour chart, now we're finally breaking this wedge. Do you guys remember the wedge that we talked about in recent videos? Let me get it ready for you all here. You guys can see we're pretty much, I guess it depends on how you draw it, but we are breaking out of both moving averages on this 4 hour chart, and we're starting to take this wedge out. We're heading in the right direction, right? Last time we were above both moving averages on SoFi, was, let's see, right before earnings. I mean, that was about 3 weeks ago, 2-3 weeks ago. Then obviously we then dumped after earnings. Now we're starting to break back out. This is a very good sign, and it comes back to the mid-16s, right? If this is able to break next week at some point, this could really start to build even more momentum, towards 18.50. This could be going to $20, guys, for all we know, right? So what do you think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. What a way to wrap up the week here, guys. What more could we ask for, right? Unbelievable. So let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I want to break down some other stocks here, some big movers from today other than SoFi. But first, do not forget to get your 30 stocks from Moomoo. Guys, I'm telling you, this is the best deal right now. Open up your account using that link down below. Fund it with at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Fund it with at least $2,000. Get this, guys. You get 25 more stocks, totaling 30 stocks, and your uninvested cash now will earn up to 8.1%. Again, guys, it's one of the best deals. Check out the link down below or go to stocks.com/Moomoo. And let me show you now some other big movers from the day. We had DraftKings up a whopping 15% today, guys. $7 in the green, breaking to the top of this channel, which, guys, not to toot my own horn, but did we not call this out? We called this out, and it's ripping. It's ripping, completely breaking out after the company reported earnings. So looks like DraftKings ended up doing, where are we at here, guys? Adjusted earnings per share of 14 cents, which beat the loss of 15 cents expected, and it looks like earnings came out yesterday. Either way, still relevant. So they crushed adjusted earnings per share, slightly missed on sales, $1.39 billion versus $1.43 billion, okay, but they raised their full year 25 revenue guidance, which is all the stock needed, man. That's all the stock needed, and boom, here we are, completely breaking out. So I'm not chasing DraftKings here, right? I think it's overbought now. We were calling it out all in the low 40s, high 30s. I think at this point it's a take profit zone, if you want to call it, whatever you want to call it. I think here we will get a pullback. Selling will occur. It's only a matter of time, so be mindful of that. Great earnings, though, but I think it's just overbought in the short term. And we might as well wrap it up here with good old Airbnb. This company also reported earnings. And not to toot my own horn again, screw it. We're going to toot it, guys. This stock also broke out, and we called it out. I mean, you guys see the previous analysis we have right here. Boom. I mean, look at that. What more could you ask for, right? Airbnb reported earnings, and it looks like here they did, where's it at here, guys? EPS of 72 cents on estimates of 58 cents, so that crushed. Revenue, $2.48 billion versus $2.42 billion expected, and they guided for Q1 revenue of $2.23 to $2.27 billion versus $2.3 billion expected. Not too bad there. So yeah, man, breakout on Airbnb. The stock looks great, but similar to what I said with DraftKings, DKNG, this could very well pull down. It could very well, we could get profit taking. In fact, I think that will happen at some point next week. We'll see. Time will tell. So yeah, that's it for the video, guys. Sorry for the lack of content today. We'll be back to it next week. I'll make some videos probably tomorrow as well. But yeah, I was at the parade all day celebrating the Super Bowl win, man. It was an unbelievable day. You know, I'm freaking so tired. I'm unbelievably tired right now. But yeah, I had to get this video out. I figured I couldn't leave you guys hanging. SoFi crushed it today. A lot of other stocks crushed it. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. Hit the like button if you found value. Feel free to subscribe. We're on the road to 100K. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.